Hello traders, this is Ramya. In today's video, we'll see how to track all the trading details in your trading journal. Okay, you can have your trading journal in any form, that is in a notebook or an Excel sheet or a software. Here we'll see what are the common things that we track in a trading journal and how to do it in an Excel sheet. I have added all the details here. You can add as many as you want. Here you can enter date and entry time and exit time. The next one is asset traded. Write down if it is stocks, options, or futures, or forex, or crypto. Then long or short. Or if you're using options, you can enter call option or put option. Next, you can enter time frames. That is, if you're using multi time frame, you can enter all the time frames you're using, or if you're using one, just enter that. Next is entry time and price, and exit time and price. Next is entry reason and exit reason. That is, write the reason for your entry and exit, whether it is technical, sentimental, or emotional, or news based, whatever it is, write it down. Next is opening balance and closing balance. That is, the balance which is present before the trade is opening balance, and after the trade and after all the trades during the end of the day is the closing balance. This is to ensure that you don't miss out on all tiny details like penalty charges or brokerage fees or other charges. So just to track all the credit and debit in your trading account. Capital per trade is the risk you're taking per trade. Note down the profit and loss. Overall trend, that is overall market trend or the sector trend or the global trend. You can write it here. Then position size, that is quantity per trade. 1 lot, 2 lots, or 10 shares, 100 shares, like that. Next is price action and indicators. If you are using indicators, write down all the indicators you are using. And if it is price action, write down the chart patterns, support and resistance levels, and candlestick patterns, like that. Then emotions involved. So have this journal during the trade so that you can write down all the emotions involved during the trade. Okay. And you can also write down the emotions which you have managed to reduce. Then you can do self-analysis. Just ask the questions like, did I follow my rules and all those things? It's not mandatory. And what should be my improvement and all those details. The note section is for quick reference. You cannot write all the details in the correct place. So you can write all the details you want to note, and then you can write all the details in your free time. Here in pictures, you can take the screenshots of your chart, profit and loss, positions, and orders, and all those details. If you cannot track all the details during the trade, you can just take these 4 or 5 screenshots, which will cover all the details given in this sheet, and later you can write it down. If you want to track yourself on whether you're following your own trading plan or not, just use this sheet. Before the trade, plan out the details in the plan section, and during the trade, just write down all the details in the actual section, and after the trade you can compare it and see where you're actually missing out, and whether you're following your own trading plan or not. So this is one method of tracking in a trading journal. We'll see other types in upcoming videos. So that's it for today. See you soon.